This batch is ready for coating, and make sure the balance is stable as you move it over.
Secret spice mix is applied over chicken at largest KFC coating line.
Chicken gets second coating layer at largest KFC, ensuring thick, crispy texture.
Light seasoning added to fried chicken at the largest KFC station. A final flavor boost enhancing the taste and maintaining consistency.
Boxes are sealed with largest KFC labels.
How many for zone 4?
5 so far, almost ready for pickup.
Put the next stack right here by the door.
Got it. How many more pallets left? Careful, that steam means it's hot.
All right, this is the big office catering order. Let's move.
Order 33 for the large bucket.
Yes, confirmed on the app.
Thank you.
Dry storage, top shelf, please.
Confirmed. Everything accounted for.
Order 35, large bucket complete. Next one, ready for sides?
I'd like the 2-piece combo with a large Coke.
Yeah. Can I get the zinger box, please?
That'll be $9.50.
Here is your large family order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, we appreciate it.
This is the crispiest chicken I've ever had.
It's delicious. Cheers, my dear.
Waste sorted and removed at largest KFC facility.
Chicken frying, again, in largest KFC fryers.
Inventory levels in the European sector are stable, well above the reorder threshold.
Good. And the automated fryers in the new Beijing hub are running at peak efficiency.
The efficiency tracker shows a clear upward trend since the update.
Yes, the wait times are down, and output is up 15%.
Largest KFC logo glowing in red and white.
Cheers, everyone. This is the best meal we've had in ages.
To the biggest bucket of chicken I've ever seen.
Absolutely delicious.
I told you this was the biggest bucket they had. We might have leftovers.
Leftovers? Dad, I'm already on my third piece.
This finger looking good, isn't it?
I told you this place was amazing. The chicken is perfect.
It really is. Best chicken in the city.
To friendship and delicious food.
Cheers.
There it is, the family feast. That looks amazing, dude. I got the drinks. Let's head out.
Welcome to the world's largest KFC. I can take your order when you're ready.
It starts with fresh chicken, expertly seasoned and hand-breaded before being pressure fried to a golden perfection. Repeated identical fried chicken pieces of the white leghorn breed at largest KFC.